Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for food recipe PHP web application. So let's see how to start the project. First go to the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Next go to the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the MySQL. Here you can see your DB name. Next side you can able to see your backend database. Click any DB name. Server backend database table. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore your project folder. Have a web folder. Open the web file. Have a project source code. Then click the readme text file. Here you can see the project URL and login credentials. So copy the URL. Then paste to the web browser. So this is your project homepage. It have two roles, admin and user. First go to the admin role. Enter the email ID and password. Now login successfully. So this is your admin homepage. Admin can manage the grocery and ingredients and recipe recommendations. First go to the create grocery. Here you can add the grocery store details. So give the grocery store details and click the submit button. Enter the grocery name. Then give the type. And give the descriptions. Then enter your mobile number. Then fill the all field names. Once you fill the field, click the submit button. It creates successfully. Next go to the search grocery. Here you can see your post grocery details and then you can search to see the grocery details. Enter the any field name. It will filter the data. Then if you want to update your location, click the update map. Then you can select the location, then drag and drop to the red bubble. Then click the update geo. Now your location is updated successfully. Then if you want to show your location, go to the show map. Here you can see your location. Next, if you want to update any details, go to the update button. Here you can update your grocery details. Then if you want to delete, you can click the delete button. Next, go to the manage ingredients. Here you can add the ingredients details and then you can delete the ingredient details. First select the ingredients, type 1 or 2, 3. You can select the ingredient type, then enter the ingredient name, then click the submit button. And then you can see the ingredient details here. If you want to delete, click the delete button. Then you can filter the ingredient type wise. And also you can enter the ingredients name. it will be filtered. Next, go to the manage category. Here you can add the category details. Then click the enter the category name and submit the category. Then if you want to delete, click the delete button. Next, go to the create recommendation. Here you can add your food recipe recommendations. So select the ingredients, then give the recipe name and the grocery items and description. Then enter the field names. Once you fill the field names, click the submit button. Next, go to the update recommendation. Here you can see your post recommendation details. Then if you want to update or delete, you can do it here. Then you can filter the data in any field wise. Enter the any field name, it will filter. Then go to the user details. Here you can see the all user contact details. So this is the admin home. Next we will go to the user role. If you want to register, go to the register now. Here you can register your profile. So enter the username, then give the email ID, then enter your password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Then give your 10-digit mobile number and enter your address and city. Once you fill the field, then click the sign up button. Now register successfully. Already you can register. Go to the login, enter the email ID and password, then log in your profile. So this is the user home page. User will be see the accommodations and grocery detail and view the cookbook and create the cookbook details. First go to the food recommendation. Here you can see the food recipe details. Then you can search any field name. It will be filtered. Then you can filter the data in recipe wise. Then you can filter data in category wise. Next go to the search grocery. Here you can see the grocery shop details. If you want to see the location, go to the show map. You can see the grocery shop location. Next go to the search book. Here you can see the book details, cookbook details, and then you can see the view rating. Click the view rating. Here you can see the other viewers rating details. Then if you want to give your feedback, go to the feedback, fill the field, then click the submit button. Let's go to the create cookbook. Here you can create your food recipe. So enter the recipe name and category, then fill the field names, then click the submit button. Let's go to the update cookbook. Here you can see your post cookbook details, and then if you want to update or delete, you can do it here. Then here also you can filter the data in any field names. If you want to upload the image, go to the image, then choose the file and click the submit button. Let's go to the my profile. My profile is used to update your contact details. So this is the food recipe PHP web application.
Code shopping.